Now look at it. Ain't this magnificent? Wow. Nice. Alright guys, today I'm gonna show you how I prepare this very delicious brown stew fish. So right here I have 4 red snapper that I already went off camera and washed in some vinegar water, right? And I'm just gonna mix a couple seasons together. First I'm gonna start by adding 1 teaspoon black pepper. Also gonna add 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon fish seasoning, 1 teaspoon all-purpose seasoning, and I'm just gonna go ahead and mix it all together, right? And guys, don't forget to check out this razor sharp knife from Chef Stack, right? Made from German steel, right? Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and make some slice in the side of the fish, right? And this is for seasoning purpose. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and rub some of that season, right, inside and also in the cuts, right, that I make on the side of the fish, as you can see right here. You also want to rub some all over the fish, right? Because you just want to make sure this fish is well seasoned. So right here, I have a Scotch bonnet pepper, some thyme, OKRAS, 4 cloves of garlic, an onion, a carrot, red, yellow, and green bell pepper, right? And I'm just gonna go ahead and cut my onion in 2. Guys, look how amazing this knife is. Look at it. Wow, this does cut like a pro, trust me. I'll leave a couple links in the description below. You can go ahead and purchase your Chef Stack knife, right? Start cutting like a pro today. After slicing my onion and garlic, right, I'm now cutting up my yellow bell pepper. And I'm just making some chunk slices, as you can see right here, right? Also, my red bell pepper. And the same thing go for my red bell pepper, I'm just making some chunk slices. Also my green bell pepper, right? And you don't have to use all 3 color bell pepper. You can just use the green alone, or if you can use the green and red. It just depends on what you rather, right? Also, I'm cutting up my carrot right here. And you can cut the carrot in any form or shape you choose, right? Also, my okra, right? And you can also cut the okra in any form and shape you choose. Now, I'm cutting up my Scotch bonnet pepper. And guys, you don't have to use a whole pepper. Just use what you can manage. With my stove on high heat, I'm now going in with some corn oil, and you can use any oil you choose. And you have to make this oil well hot. After my oil is hot, I'm now going in with my fish. And as you can see right here, I'm frying 2 at a time because you don't want to cool the oil down too much. You want the oil to remain hot so your fish can fry properly, right? So after frying for 3 minutes, I'm now gonna go ahead and turn them, right? And look how beautiful this look, guys. And I'm gonna fry on the other side for 3 more minutes, then take them out. Whoa, guys, I feel like to eat this right away. I don't even feel like to cook it down. Look how pretty it is. Look at it. Alright guys, so I already went off camera and pour some of the oil off, right? Because I don't need so much oil. And I'm going in with my season and vegetable. Guys, look at all the colors. Look how pretty it is. Also gonna add some pimento seeds. The remaining season from off the fish that I seasoned earlier. Also gonna add 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, I'm going in with 1 cup of water.
Jewels behind the throne, into the night, out of the dark, take to the sky.
And this is the time that I go ahead and taste it to see if it need any more salt, right? Now I'm gonna add some salt to taste. I'm just gonna taste again to ensure that the salt is alright, right? Perfect. Now I'm going in with my fish. And guys, trust me, this smells so amazing. Wow, the place is just bursting with fragrance right now. Look how beautiful this is. And you just want to go ahead and pour some of that sauce all over the fish. Cover it up and give it about 2 minutes, and then I show you the finishing product. Here I have the finishing product of my brown stew fish. Oh, look. Look delicious, right? Tastes delicious too. I wish if y'all be tasting this right now. Wow. And you can pair this with any sides you choose. Right now I'm having mine with some rice and peas. Just look how beautiful this look. Yum. Martin! If you have reached the end of the video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Boom.